So me and my dad made a mini volcano. You can't see it, the lighting isn't that good. You can't see it. I'm pretty far away from it. Right there, maybe that's better. Or like that, maybe you can see that better. And I painted, it was white in the beginning, but I painted it red. It took a while. I did this last week, but we're actually erupting it this week because we couldn't do it last week. But this week,
are you ready for the eruption?
I'm ready for the eruption.
Let's put it right here in the light. See, this is a mossy area, very similar to Fiji. See that?
Yes.
It's like the island of Fiji.
Uh-huh.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, that's actually nice. Look at that. Look at that. That's all. Let's go an overhead view. Look at that. It's fizzing in there. Well, that's actually cool. I got this for Christmas. You
guys step over so you're not shadowing it.
And I'm not. This is amazing.
It's amazing.
I just think it's, oh, there's more in there. Look at that. That's good. Ooh. Let me see the view if I give them the ground. That's a nice view. That's a good. Look at that.
Do you think the volcano's done? Is it safe for the people to come back to town?
I don't know.
Yes, I think it is.
You think it is?
I think it's safe for people to come back to town. Oh, there's still a little fizz in there.
Oh, you can see it. I want to pick it up and like pour it out.
Good. Don't get that. You'll get it all over your hand though. It's like red dye. It's nasty.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't gonna do it. Look at all that spilling out.
That's what was inside that volcano.
Yeah, look at all that. It's all red. I can't see. Maybe let me get out.
Oh, look, there's more of that stuff in there.
You can't really see it. It just looks all red.
Let's
but
see what happens if I put this on there. Not much.
Nope, just water.
Yeah.
Now it's just water left. Really. Yeah, so this volcano just formed in my backyard. But we might think of moving. Yeah, I think we're gonna consider moving because. Oh yeah.
We'll have like a volcano epidemic.
Yeah, more of them might pop up. Yeah. But I think we're gonna think about moving. But I mean, yeah. So that's that. I'm just gonna. Now I haven't been posting a lot, and you know I try to post as much as I can, but I can't think of anything to do. And this was a perfect chance to get a video in, so if you're watching this, please drop a like in the comments, or just comment on the video. Drop a like and subscribe. Please, I'm desperate. Look at that. I just think it's cool. You know, I haven't got outside in a while and recorded something like this in a while. I haven't recorded something really. Actually, now that I think of it, this is my first video where I've actually recorded outside. So, hope you like it. Well, peace.